In this video, we'll talk about enrichment insights in Struct PIM. So let's head over to our PIM area and find a sample product to work with. So notice here on the right sidebar that we have this little breakdown of the enrichment progress for this product. These are enrichment insights, and we can actually create any number of these and customize them so they fit our use case. In this case, we can see that we have these 5 enrichment insights set up already. And if we take a look here, we can see that 2 of our enrichment insights are at 100%, meaning that all the fields that belong to this enrichment insights are filled 100%. And this is the case for our basic enrichment as well as our ready for Google Shopping. But we can see here that our digital product passport is missing 7 values. So we can actually click this label to expand and see the values that are missing on this product, so this specific enrichment insight. And the same is the case for the next enrichment insight just below it. We can expand this and see the 3 missing values right here. And of course, the last one here, where we can also see the 3 missing values. So this is a super great way to get a quick breakdown of what is missing on this product for it to be 100% completed and fully enriched. And as mentioned, we can create any number of these enrichment insights. And the way we do that is under our settings here, we can see that we have the enrichment insights set up. And here we have a list of all the existing enrichment insights that we've already set up in our account. We can easily create a new insight right here by clicking this create button and then just simply follow the setup instructions right here. But let's just quickly reverse engineer some of the existing enrichment insights that we have in our account. So let's take this basic enrichment, which is created on our product entity type. So let's hit edit. And here there's a couple of things that we need to go through. So first of all, we have the name of the enrichment insight, and just below it, this is the main setting. Here we can set up the rules that apply to our enrichment insight. And what's really cool here is that we can actually create several rules that each apply to this basic enrichment that we've created. And our rules could target a specific product structure. It could also target different category scopes as well. So products that belong to a certain category have their set of basic enrichment insights, and another category might have a different set of enrichment insights. So as you can see, this is a super powerful feature that allows us to give our users the perfect overview over what's missing and what's not when they edit the products. And not only that, but we could actually use enrichment insights when searching for products. So let's go back to the PIM area and open up our search here. And if we go to our manage column sections, we can just say that we want to include our completeness for the basic enrichment. And once we hit update, we can now see the completeness is featured right here. So we can say that we want to show products that are below 50% completion. The product list is now updated to reflect this search. And one last thing that we can do with enrichment insights is that if we go back to our dashboard, we actually have a widget that allows us to display our enrichment insights right on the dashboard. So let's give this a headline, say enrichment insights, and then we can select from our list of available insights here. Let's just select this one. And here we can select a breakdown of the completion rate on this insights widget. So let's just do this one. And here we see the immediate preview that we're working with right here. So let's just say add widget, and we now have the dashboard widget in place. And from here we can resize it. We can move it around as we want and save it to our dashboard. So that's it about enrichment insights. Hope this made a lot of sense. make sure to also watch some of our other feature highlight videos.